Okay, this is Venkat for Venkat.com. I've been doing health insurance and term insurance consulting. It's a little bit of retirement planning to few people in India and also NRIs the last 5 years. If you want to do consulting with me, message me any time of the day. And then we'll take it forward based on your requirement. If you're not able to find my WhatsApp number, SMS me. Call sometimes I'm not able to attend because I'll be on other session. Okay. Top three health insurance. See, speaking to NRIs is different from speaking to those working in India. Uh, Even if you are in India, message me. But then this is how my consulting process works. I will be understanding your work, which industry are you in, your income status, your health status. See, I don't want to tell you a lie that I'm creating awareness on health insurance or term insurance because everyone knows that beyond their corporate group health insurance or term insurance, they need to have an exclusive one. And why they are not buying it is because of the mindset. So I have spoken to more than 2,500 people and I've understood not doing sales is the most important thing in this industry. So I have a no spam policy. I will understand your mindset, and based on that, we will be taking forward, and it will be a one-on-one session. Do not buy anything based on my video because it is a service industry. My experience will be different from your experience. I don't want to influence your purchase decision. Okay. One of the first product that I want to recommend is HDFC ERGO's Optima Secure. Let's say this HDFC ERGO's HDFC ERGO's revenue is somewhere around the north of 2,500 crores. They should be making more than 1,500 crores from Optima Secure alone. This is my assumption because it's their flagship product. They have other products like Optima Secure Lite and also Optima Secure Global Plus. They've been structuring this product this way last 4 years. If, let's say you're buying for 10 lakhs sum assured, buying for 20, it will immediately become 20 lakhs sum assured. If you buy for 20 lakhs sum assured, it will immediately become 40 lakhs sum assured. They call it secure benefit. If you are an NRI, this is going to be a really good benefit for you. And if you are wondering if there is any bonus, it is a cumulative bonus. Even if you go for a claim, they will surely give the bonus. It is called plus benefit. 50% of the sum assured will be added for the first 2 years. Okay. Other companies, they say that they will be adding multiples for 10 years, 20 years, but this is fine. 50% of the sum assured for the first 2 years. What will happen is if you have bought it for 10 lakh first, because of the secure benefit, it will become 20 lakh. Then every year 5 lakh will be added. That will become 30 lakh. Okay. Now they have something else called restore benefit. Let's say you have only 5 lakh sum assured. Okay. After 2 years specific diseases waiting period, you are getting someone, not you. Someone is getting admitted in the hospital. That one hospital admission alone, you are spending, the expenses around 5 lakh. You should not worry that all your sum assured is gone because they have restore benefit. After you are discharged again for the next hospital admission, you are getting restore benefit. Always remember when you are buying, I will ensure how you have to buy the restore benefit. What are the other riders you have to buy? That is the advantage in consulting, getting some expert advice. Room rent at actuals, there is no room rent capping at all. If your sum assured is below 50 lakh, once in lifetime you can get limitless benefit. You have to pay extra for this rider. You call it unlimited indemnity coverage. No matter what the hospital fees, they are going to pay beyond your sum assured also. Okay. And because of the market in the other products started giving this ABCD chronic care, it's a kind of rider wherein someone who's having diabetes, BP, asthma, cholesterol, they will be getting covered from the 31st day onwards. Remember one thing, but it also includes the 2 year waiting period, the specific disease waiting period. Just that for these issues, they will not say we won't give the claim. But all the health insurance offering this day one cover for diabetes, BP, asthma, cholesterol also has the specific disease waiting period. If you may consult me, I will tell you, clarify you what are the things you have to keep it keep in your mind. See, the thing is that industry is sales driven. Someone, let's say you are registering in your website or online platform or official website, whatever it is, people keep calling you. But you have to understand your income status, health status, which country you are in if you are in NRA, which city you are in if you are in India. And based on that, I will recommend what is the right thing to do. The second brand I really respect, not that I am recommending, the second brand I respect is that Aditya Birla Active One, which is like Active One Vital is the product which has very good features. Some kind of underwriting issues, some people were not able to get product in another brand. They have this Active One Vital. Sometimes they are able to get in this product. Okay. Room rent, of course, no capping in the room rent. Sum assured, they have lots of options. Aditya Birla, like, Max, Vital, Next, VIP, VIP Plus. But here in this video, we are speaking about active one, Vital. Okay, you can buy between 2 lakhs to 6 crores sum assured. Of course, no capping on room rent and any other hospital expenses like ICU, road ambulance, daycare treatment, modern procedures and treatment. Up to sum assured, it is covered. Okay, this is what I like, which is like someone who has done kept a stunt in their heart. You message me, give me the discharge summary, we will take it forward. And even those people they are covering, but we have to see if there are any other health status which has to be conveyed, what has to be conveyed, so that in future you will not have any issues. Okay, our responsibility of individuals like us is that we issue the product in such a way that in future during claim you will not have any issues. Okay, of course, as I told you earlier, though they say diabetes, BP, asthma, cholesterol as day one cover, the specific diseases waiting period will be for 2 years. Even if you are a healthy individual, okay, you have to remember that. See, the third option, see, nobody is sponsoring me. This is a service industry. Just because I am telling ranking 1, 2, 3, that doesn't mean that they don't have any complaints or whatever. So the third option will be like someone who's consulting me based on this. See, every brand occupies your mind, in your mind map, they have to occupy a place. And so during the consulting session, after speaking to me, people used to buy in all the 30 different companies based on their mindset. So I will giving respects to the health insurance and life insurance ecosystem. I've recommended all the brands based on their mindset. Okay. So that is why I kept all other logos and they included plus, which means all other brands. That is it, guys. You may like to our video will be certainly helpful. Thank you so much for that. See, what is the advantage in buying through people like us is that we offer personal support. Let's say there is a major health setback. Even before you are admitted in the hospital, people used to call us and we used to guide them on how you have to convey this, how you have to speak, what you have to do so that the claim will not be rejected. Only for people who are consulting and taking the product through us. So message me any time of the day and we will take it forward. Okay. Especially term insurance I issue through a fintech company. So don't worry, it's not an individual. You are trusting it. You are trusting a fintech company, and based on that, the support will also be better. Again, it is my responsibility to show the disclaimer, because let's say you're in India or NRI, you have already bought a product, you might have problems in the claim support. I cannot do anything because to whomever you have bought the product, they are supposed to support you. That is it. So message me in this number. You go to venkatfin.com or it is in the description. We will find a mutually convenient time. I have a no spam policy, so don't have to worry about it. Just that if you are not going to buy from us, please avoid messaging me. Thank you so much. Good luck to you. Um, let us see how our consulting session goes, and how we can protect your family. Thank you.